and why organize online conference. Hello, my name is Alireza Punjwani. I am part of Rehan Foundation. I have done Master of International Relations and I am certified digital marketer. So in this course, I like to guide you all about how and why online conference organize and what is the benefit for arranging online conference. In this era of technology and social media, we are here to boom and meeting everyone as the virtual world is connecting global world, and we are here to connecting with number of things. It is advantage to connect with social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and number of social media channels. We are keep communicating and building our community as a business, as an entrepreneur, as a freelancer. So we have to create a number of organize. So make your leaderships and engage with the other companies and startups. So whatever your benefit to take a new and experienced people together and sharing with their expertise. So online conference is one of the starting trend in the market. And previously webinars and online seminars, people hear about this. But online conference and online things are challenging maybe. But I'm here in this course will definitely guide you all process of step by step and how can you be successful, organized and why you want to there. So let's begin this course and I'm sure you will be enjoy and learn a lot from this course. Thank you.